The only certain move I bet me I confirm for now, Emmanuel KOTEI from Nsoatreman to Kumasi Asante Kotoko. It is more than done deal. In Central for Ghana Premier League in Central for your friend Central Niba Kumo Shaban or say you Ghana Football Association or the GFA statistician or the Nsembia to ya what tweeting about this mover Kumasi Asante Kotoko capture Emmanuel KOTEI from Nsoatreman and wasem ewa me de bro e wo fie ha say then senior commentator mo follow Ghana Premier League no ewo Star Times no papa on the screen so your friend no Mr. Dakwa Nana Jesse Dakwa waka bibi afa Emmanuel ono follow Ghana Premier League the pa so after say Shaban GFA statistician no was say nan say mu say GFA bibia na the statistics na ye ho artwork Shaban na in charge of sa nyoma ni nyina Shaban the Nsembia tudwa concerning Emmanuel KOTEI Shaban we no tweet is message we say right back Emmanuel KOTEI moves from Nsoatre FC to Asante Kotoko expected to be done before the transfer deadline day, which means deal no highly overly possible. Everything is now set. Emmanuel KOTEI about the ball man Nsoatreman no enye ade asese no rumors biom eno na Nana Jesse we commentator Star Time no ono nso asem obetwero no enengu no o said last season I said he was the best right back in Ghana and I'm excited he's enjoying his time in the top flight. Ima, continue to make those who believe in you proud. Let's just say Abranti aye kan ho asem this transfer second round likely so join the Kumasi Asante Kotoko no. Momo munim ne di omunim no. Omunim say Ghana ha say ne ye ka in terms of right back we three free wa untimi mo abra umoni din Emmanuel KOTEI boy ni mbombo na adanse ne say baby e free ba no kra de sa follow na we Kumasi Asante Kotoko supporter we Kumasi Asante Kotoko fana nya awehemu say Kumasi Asante Kotoko is signing one of the best right backs Ghana Premier League and coach Ogumsi ohia right back and na ohia striker so Emmanuel KOTEI done deal and expectedly Prince Kobna Wusu and also it is expecting say and also be done the one has 2 deals and be the only deals are Kumasi Asante Kotoko be have this first round a tough for my bro from the blog man me do see a chia be me that's me